Hi, welcome to Vape and Juice TV, and we're going to talk about the Blu starter kit. In fact, 5 major problems with the Blu starter kit. But before I start, I'm going to talk about a good thing about the Blu starter kit. It uses a micro USB, so hooray, something good to talk about. So number 1, the first major problem with the Blu starter kit, it's the pods. They're really expensive. You get 2 1.5mm pods in a pack for £6. So if you think a bottle of Vampire Vapes or Pink Label e-liquid is 10ml and it's about £4 or £5 depending on how many you buy, you'd need to spend £19 just to have the same amount of e-liquid as you would in an ordinary 10ml e-liquid bottle. That's pretty expensive. Number 2, the second major problem with the Blu starter kit is they actually leak out the mouthpiece, and when you're spending as much money as you are on the pods liquids, the last thing you want is it to be coming out in your mouth. We had it in our kit for about 2 hours and it already started leaking out the mouthpiece, and in fact a lot of reviews online are saying the same if they leave them overnight. That's pretty annoying if you're a vapor, start having these things leak in your bag or your pocket. Number 3, so the third major problem with the Blu starter kit is the nicotine strength range they have. They come in 16mg, 8mg, or nothing at all. So really they've only got 2 nicotine strengths, and they're both quite strong, so if you're trying to bring yourself down the nicotine chain, you're going to find it pretty difficult if you're sort of stuck at the 8 and don't want to jump down to 0. So that's a bit of a major problem with the Blu starter kit. Number 4, the fourth major problem with the Blu starter kit. They're made by Big Tobacco, so they're basically the Illuminati. Number 5, the final problem with the Blu starter kit. Let's talk about deceit. So if you go to consumerreviews.com, you'll see they have a 1.5 out of 5 star rating, and there are hundreds of reviews all saying the same thing. They leak overnight, the pods are expensive, they don't work very well, they don't like the flavours smell bad. It doesn't smell of roses for Blu on there. If you head over to Blu's website, the reviews say 4.5 out of 5. If you go back to consumerreviews.com website, you'll see a lot of people saying that Blu have actually binned off their reviews because they're negative. Now, if you're hiding reviews, it shows that you're a business that's not very consumer friendly. And if you go back to the fact that the kits are cheap, but the pods are expensive, it tells the tale of a company that wants to get you reeled in nice and cheap and get you addicted to their pods. That's not a business that I think we could do business with, and that's the reason why we've given it a thumbs down. Hope you found this video useful. Subscribe to us at Vape and Juice TV, and follow us on Instagram at Vape and Juice UK. Thanks for watching.